Hajj is one of the most important religious duties in Islam. It is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Every adult Muslim must perform Hajj at least once in their lifetime. This pilgrimage takes place in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Hajj is a profound spiritual experience. Muslims believe it purifies them of their sins. It reminds of the sacrifices made by Prophet Ibrahim. The pilgrimage attracts millions of Muslims from around the world, demonstrating the unity and diversity of the Muslim Ummah. Main rituals of Hajj. Hajj rituals follow the footsteps of Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Muhammad. It begins on the 8th day of Dhu al-Hijjah with specific rites. Pilgrims enter Ihram, donning white garments. They proceed to Mina for prayer and reflection. On the 9th day, they stand in prayer at Arafat. After sunset, they collect pebbles at Muzdalifah. On the 10th day, they perform the symbolic stoning of the devil. Finally, they perform Tawaf and Sa'i in Mecca.
Practical tips for performing Hajj. Preparing for Hajj requires careful planning. Ensure all travel documents, including passports and visas, are in order. Attend Hajj preparation seminars to understand rituals. Consult doctors for a medical checkup and vaccinations. Budget for travel, accommodation, and other expenses. Mental and spiritual preparation is crucial. Reflect on the spiritual meaning of each ritual.
The impact of Hajj on Muslims. Hajj is a profound journey that leaves a lasting impact on Muslims. It serves as a powerful catalyst for spiritual growth, unity, and personal transformation. The experience fosters a deep sense of connection with Allah and fellow Muslims. It reinforces the values of equality, humility, and justice. Pilgrims return home with a renewed sense of faith and a stronger commitment to their religious duties. The physical and emotional challenges teach valuable lessons in patience and resilience. Overcoming these challenges deepens their reliance on Allah. The memories of Hajj stay with pilgrims for a lifetime. Ultimately, Hajj transforms both the individual and the community.
Section 4. The Journey to Saudi Arabia, Departure Points and Airlines. The journey to Saudi Arabia is an exciting part of Hajj. Common departure points include major cities like New York, London, and Kuala Lumpur. Choose an airline that offers good service and convenient flight times. Many airlines cater specifically to Hajj pilgrims. Saudi Arabian Airlines, Emirates, and Turkish Airlines are popular choices. These airlines provide special services for pilgrims, ensuring a comfortable journey. Book your tickets early to get the best rates. Direct flights are preferable, but you may also consider connecting flights if they are more affordable. Ensure you have enough time during layovers to avoid any rush. Pack wisely for the journey. Carry essential items in your hand luggage, including travel documents, medications, and a change of clothes. This ensures you are prepared for any delays or emergencies during your flight.
Section 5. Arrival Procedures, Jeddah or Medina, Customs and Transport. Upon arrival in Saudi Arabia, you will either land in Jeddah or Medina. Both cities have international airports that handle Hajj pilgrims. Be prepared for a thorough customs check upon arrival. Customs procedures can be lengthy due to the large number of pilgrims. Have your documents ready and stay patient. Follow the instructions given by airport staff to ensure a smooth process. After clearing customs, you will need to travel to Mecca. Many pilgrims take buses organized by Hajj groups. These buses are comfortable and provide a safe journey to Mecca. Private taxis are also available but can be expensive. Ensure you have the address of your accommodation in Mecca. This helps in case you get separated from your group. Proper planning and patience make the arrival process less stressful.
Section 6. Accommodation in Mecca, Hotels to Tents in Mina. Accommodation in Mecca varies widely. Many pilgrims stay in hotels near the Haram. These hotels offer comfort and convenience, being close to the holy sites. Book early to secure a good hotel at a reasonable price. For those on a budget, there are more affordable options. Hostels and shared accommodations are available. These provide basic amenities and are suitable for pilgrims looking to save money. During the days of Hajj, many pilgrims stay in tents at Mina. These tents are well organized and equipped with basic facilities. Staying in Mina is a unique experience, allowing you to be close to the main rituals. Regardless of where you stay, Ensure your accommodation is clean and safe. It should also be close to transport facilities. A comfortable place to rest is essential for a successful Hajj pilgrimage.
Hajj is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. It is a pilgrimage every Muslim must undertake once in their lifetime. Hajj occurs in the Islamic month of Dhu al-Hijjah. The rituals have deep spiritual significance. It is a profound spiritual experience. Pilgrims wear simple clothing to show equality before God. Millions gather in Mecca for Hajj. This creates a sense of global Muslim unity. Ihram is the first step in the Hajj pilgrimage. Pilgrims enter a state of spiritual purity and wear special garments. Men wear 2 white unstitched sheets. Women wear simple, modest clothing. The garments symbolize purity and equality before God. In the state of Ihram, certain actions are prohibited. Pilgrims must not engage in marital relations, use perfume, or cut their hair and nails. Hunting and harming animals are also forbidden. These restrictions help pilgrims focus on their spiritual journey. Entering Ihram is marked by a declaration of intention known as the Talbiyah. Pilgrims recite, "Here I am, O Allah, here I am." This signifies their readiness to perform Hajj. The state of Ihram reminds pilgrims of their commitment to God. The simplicity of the Ihram garments removes distinctions of wealth and status. It emphasizes the equality of all believers before God. This sets the tone for the humility and devotion required during Hajj. Ihram is the first step in the Hajj pilgrimage. Pilgrims enter a state of spiritual purity and wear special garments. The garments symbolize purity and equality before God. In the state of Ihram, certain actions are prohibited. Pilgrims must not engage in marital relations, use perfume, or cut their hair and nails. These restrictions help pilgrims focus on their spiritual journey. Pilgrims recite, "Here I am, O Allah, here I am." Tawaf is the act of walking around the Kaaba 7 times. The Kaaba is the most sacred site in Islam. Pilgrims perform Tawaf counterclockwise, symbolizing unity and worship. They recite prayers, seeking forgiveness and guidance. This act represents the journey of life and faith. Pilgrims try to touch or kiss the black stone, emulating the Prophet Muhammad. Sa'i involves walking 7 times between the hills of Safa and Marwa. This ritual commemorates Hagar's desperate search for water for her son, Ismail. She ran between these hills until God provided the Zamzam well. The story of Hagar is one of faith and perseverance. Her trust in God and her tireless effort are honored through the ritual of Sa'i. Pilgrims reflect on her struggle and the divine mercy that followed. Sa'i is performed immediately after Tawaf. Pilgrims move briskly between Safa and Marwa, reciting prayers and supplications. This act reminds them of the importance of patience and trust in God's plan. The well of Zamzam, located near the Kaaba, is a symbol of God's provision. Pilgrims drink its water and take some back home. This act signifies spiritual and physical nourishment, reinforcing the themes of faith and divine grace. The Day of Arafat, the pinnacle of Hajj. The Day of Arafat is the most important day of Hajj. Pilgrims gather where Prophet Muhammad delivered his final sermon. This day is dedicated to wukuf, in devotion and prayer. Wukuf at Arafat is a profound spiritual experience. Pilgrims stand from noon until sunset, praying and seeking forgiveness. It is a time for introspection and renewal of faith. This act symbolizes the gathering of humanity on the Day of Judgment. The significance of Arafat is immense. God descends to the lowest heaven and forgives the sins of those who sincerely repent. The Day of Arafat is a reminder of God's mercy and the opportunity for a new beginning. Section 6. Muzdalifah, the night under the stars. After sunset on the day of Arafat, pilgrims travel to Muzdalifah. Pilgrims spend the night under the open sky, reflecting and praying. They perform evening and night prayers together. This act signifies the rejection of evil and temptation. Section 7. Mina, the stoning of the devil. In Mina, pilgrims perform the ritual of Rami, or stoning the devil. They throw 7 pebbles at 3 pillars, known as Jamrat. This ritual symbolizes the rejection of Satan's temptations and the reaffirmation of faith. The act of stoning the pillars is rooted in the story of Prophet Ibrahim. He threw stones at the devil when it tried to dissuade him from obeying God's command to sacrifice his son. This act of defiance is commemorated through the ritual in Mina. Pilgrims perform Rami over 3 days, starting with the largest pillar. The physical act of throwing stones represents the spiritual act of rejecting sin. It is a powerful reminder of the constant struggle against evil. The significance of this ritual lies in its symbolism. By throwing the pebbles, pilgrims reaffirm their commitment to living a righteous life. It is an act of purification and renewal, reinforcing the lessons learned throughout Hajj. Eid al-Adha, the festival of sacrifice. Celebrated during Hajj, it commemorates Prophet Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice his son. God provided a ram instead. The act of qurbani, or animal sacrifice, is performed. Meat is distributed among family, friends, and the needy. Eid al-Adha is a time of joy and gratitude. It unites the global Muslim community. Section 9 Tawaf al-Ifada, the essential circumambulation. Performed after the day of Arafat and stoning ritual in Mina. It signifies the pilgrim's renewed state of purity. Pilgrims circle the Kaaba 7 times. This represents their spiritual rebirth. They return to reaffirm their faith, a moment of deep reflection and gratitude, also known as Tawaf al-Ziyara, signifying the return to the house of God, reinforcing the connection with the divine. The spiritual significance is profound, culminating their efforts and sacrifices, a testament to their faith and devotion. Section 10. Shaving, cutting hair, symbolic renewal. Shaving or cutting the hair is a significant ritual in Hajj. For men, shaving the head is recommended, while women cut a small portion of their hair. This act symbolizes purification and renewal. The act of cutting the hair marks the end of the pilgrim's state of ihram. It is a physical sign of the spiritual transformation that has taken place. This ritual signifies the pilgrim's readiness to return to their everyday life with a renewed sense of purpose. Shaving or cutting the hair is an act of humility and submission to God. It is a reminder of the temporary nature of worldly attachments. This ritual reinforces the themes of simplicity and devotion that are central to Hajj. The symbolism of this act is profound. It represents the shedding of past sins and the beginning of a new chapter in the pilgrim's life. This ritual is a powerful reminder of the transformative power of Hajj. Shaving or cutting the hair is a significant ritual in Hajj. For men, shaving the head is recommended, while women cut a small portion of their hair. This act symbolizes purification and renewal. It marks the end of the pilgrim's state of ihram, a physical sign of spiritual transformation. Tawaf al-Wada, the farewell circumambulation, is the final ritual of Hajj. Pilgrims circle the Kaaba one last time before leaving Mecca. This act signifies the completion of their pilgrimage and their readiness to return home. It is a moment of deep emotion and reflection, a final act of devotion before leaving the holy city.
This ancient pilgrimage, a journey of a lifetime, will test you in ways you never imagined, pushing your limits and expanding your horizons. Millions of people from every corner of the globe converging on one sacred place, united in faith and purpose. The physical and mental challenges are immense, demanding resilience and strength. But fear not, my friends, for with the right preparation and mindset, you can not only survive this extraordinary experience but truly thrive and grow. This is your ultimate guide to conquering Hajj, ensuring you are ready for every step of this sacred journey. When packing for this spiritual expedition, every item counts. Lightweight, breathable clothing is crucial for the desert climate. Don't forget sturdy sandals and comfortable footwear for long walks. Pack a hat, sunglasses, and a water bottle to stay hydrated. The Arabian sun is intense. Stay hydrated. Carry a water bottle and refill it often. The crowds can be overwhelming. Plan your movements in advance. Know where exits and facilities are located. Remember, you are a guest in a land with rich traditions and customs. Observe and learn from the locals. Be mindful of your attire, keeping your shoulders and knees covered. Embrace the unexpected and approach every interaction with kindness and an open mind. Hajj is a meticulously structured journey with specific rituals to be performed at specific times. Each step is significant and must be followed precisely. Obtain a detailed schedule and familiarize yourself with the locations and timings of each ritual. This preparation ensures you stay on track. Plan your movements carefully to avoid delays. Efficient navigation through the crowds is crucial for a smooth experience. Seek assistance if you feel lost or unsure. There are always volunteers and experienced pilgrims ready to help you. Hajj is physically demanding. Be prepared for long walks in intense heat. Pace yourself and take breaks. Wear comfortable, broken-in shoes. Don't underestimate sleep. Hajj is not just a physical journey, but a deeply spiritual one. Be prepared for moments of intense emotion. The magnitude of the event can be overwhelming. Lean on your fellow pilgrims for support. For those embarking on this journey for the first time, seek advice from experienced Hajis. Joining a Hajj group offers community and support. Embrace the learning process and be open to new experiences. Allow yourself to be transformed by this life-changing event. As we reach the end of our journey, remember that the true test of Hajj lies not in its completion, but in the impact it has on your life afterwards. Carry the lessons of patience, perseverance, and compassion back with you. So there you have it, your roadmap to not just surviving but truly thriving during Hajj. This sacred journey is more than a pilgrimage. It's a journey of a lifetime, filled with moments of reflection and devotion, a deeply spiritual experience that will transform you. Pack your bags with the essentials, from clothing to spiritual guides, and go with an open heart, ready to embrace every moment. Now go forth, my friends, with courage and faith, and conquer your Hajj adventure with unity and strength. Hajj is a pilgrimage. It is a journey to the heart of Islam. Millions of Muslims answer this call. They travel from all corners of the world. Their destination is Mecca, a sacred city in Saudi Arabia. Here, they gather as one ummah, or community. They stand before the Kaaba, the holiest site in Islam. The Hajj is a pillar of Islam. It is a once-in-a-lifetime obligation for those who are able. It is a testament to faith and submission to God. The Hajj is more than a physical journey. It is a spiritual transformation. It is a chance to cleanse the soul and renew one's commitment to God. The Hajj is a deeply personal experience. It is a time for reflection and introspection. Each pilgrim will experience it in their own way. Many describe a profound sense of peace and connection with God. The rituals of Hajj, performed alongside millions, foster unity and equality. The Hajj challenges us. It pushes us to our limits, both physically and mentally. This shared struggle creates bonds of brotherhood and sisterhood. We return from Hajj changed. We carry the lessons learned and the spirit of the pilgrimage within us. The Hajj is not the end. It is a beginning. The real challenge is to maintain the spirit of Hajj in our daily lives. We can strive to be more patient, kind, and forgiving. We can be more charitable and generous. We can be more conscious of our actions and their impact on others. Remember the lessons of unity and equality learned during Hajj. Treat everyone with respect and compassion. Break down barriers of race, ethnicity, and reflection. Continue to seek knowledge and grow in your faith. Section 4. Sharing the journey. Inspiring others through your experience. Sharing your Hajj experience can be powerful. It can inspire others. It can strengthen their faith. Share your story with humility and sincerity. Talk about the challenges and the rewards. Describe how Hajj has impacted your life. Your experience might encourage others to embark on their own Hajj journeys. Your story can be a source of guidance and support for them. Remember, sharing your experience is a way to keep the spirit of Hajj alive. It is a way to continue the journey of faith. Section 5. Preparing for Hajj, a journey of a lifetime. The Hajj is a journey of a lifetime. It requires preparation. It demands physical and spiritual readiness. Learn about the rituals of Hajj. Understand their significance. This knowledge will deepen your experience and make it more meaningful. Prepare yourself physically for the demands of the journey. Engage in physical activity. Consult with your doctor to address any health concerns. Most importantly, prepare your heart. Reflect on your intentions. Seek forgiveness for your shortcomings. Renew your commitment to God. Section 6. Continue the conversation. Deepen your understanding. The journey of faith does not end here. Continue to learn. Continue to grow. Continue to seek a deeper understanding of Islam. Subscribe to our newsletter for more insights on Hajj and other Islamic topics. Follow our blog for reflections and personal stories. We would love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments section below. Let us continue this journey of faith together. Let us support and inspire one another. Let us strive to live lives that are pleasing to God.